This P2254 repairing video is dedicated to Toyota's drivers. If your Toyota is getting a P2254 error code, this video is going to show you one practical solution to fix the error code at home. Use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and see the error code P2254. It indicates that the powertrain control module has detected a reference voltage that is not within the range of the Bank 2 Sensor 1 oxygen sensor. Here are one of the most practical solutions to fix Toyota's P2254 error code. Method A, the oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter. Bank 2 is on the side with cylinder number 2. Sensor number 1 is usually the one in the exhaust manifold. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, then replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. So here are one of the most practical solutions to fix Toyota's P2254 error code. After the repair, you can now use the Zeus app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.